In this video, I'm going to show you how to view Instagram stories without being seen. Now, there's actually a really simple way to do this, but it requires you to enter Instagram on a desktop. This will work both on laptops and computers. Unfortunately, there is no way to do it on a mobile device. You will need to use a PC. All you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and look up Instagram login right over here. Then make sure to log in with your Instagram account right over here. But anyways, once you went ahead and logged in, you will now get something that looks like this. Now, what you need to do is you need to make sure you follow a lot of people. So you'll notice that over here, we have 3 different accounts. So let's say we wanted to view this story on the left over here without being seen. What we need to do is we need to view this story. So look at this. If I go ahead and press on the story next to it, you will notice that if we go ahead and pause it, we are able to see what is going on both sides over here. So we're able to see the left story without being seen. We can go ahead and take a screenshot and then minimize the screenshot and like zoom in to see exactly what is going on. And you could also do the same thing over here. But again, this will require you to actually follow multiple Instagram accounts, and you need to make sure that they actually do post stories. And that is a really simple way for you to actually view someone's Instagram story without being seen. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.